Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic, liver health. Let's uncover the shocking truths about what damages your liver and how you can keep it healthy. The liver can be damaged by various factors like viral hepatitis, autoimmune diseases, parasitic infections, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes. Most of these are lifestyle related and can be managed with healthy living. It's not just about food and alcohol. Sugar, especially fructose, drug abuse, processed omega-6, seed oils, smoking, and certain medications can significantly harm your liver, particularly those containing acetaminophen. The liver is a powerhouse, performing over 500 chemical reactions. It aids in digestion, detoxification, cholesterol regulation, hormone breakdown, and processing macronutrients. Plus, it helps balance your energy by storing and releasing glycogen. Did you know that acetaminophen, found in medications like Tylenol, NyQuil, and Excedrin, is the most common cause of acute liver failure in the US? Overdosing can destroy half of your liver cells in less than a week. Other medications like ibuprofen, naproxen, and aspirin also put stress on your liver. The liver handles metabolic waste and endogenous hormones, but when you add environmental toxins, alcohol, fructose, and medications, it can push your liver beyond its capacity, leading to liver failure. Managing these burdens is crucial for liver health. So, what can you do to protect your liver? Focus on a healthy diet, avoid excessive alcohol and sugar, be mindful of medications, and reduce exposure to environmental toxins. Your liver works hard for you, so let's give it the care it deserves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.